Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make my 11th Lego puzzle block. And yeah, so let's get started already. So first off, you get a 8x8 base plate, and you wanna get some smooth piece and some plate like that. You could pause the video and make that. Okay, and now take two of this 1x1 bricks that cannot top of each other. Make the same thing. Put one of them here, there, and put one of them, another one there. Now take a two of this 2x2 bricks that cannot top of each other, and take a 1x2 plate, put it on top, put it there, right there. And now this piece, just take a 1x8 plate and two of this 1x2 bricks, two of this 1x2 bricks, and I mean this is a 1x1 bricks, so take a 1x3 bricks, a 1x1 brick, another 1x1 brick, and a 1x1 plate. Now take a 2x3 bricks, and then take two of this 1x2 plate, stack it on top of each other, and then put it there. Now put this piece here. There. Now get this piece, stick it right there. There. And then take a 1x4 plate like that, and then a 1x1 plate. Take two of this 1x1 bricks there, and then two of this 1x2 bricks. Then take a 2x3 bricks, 2x2 smooth piece, and two of this 1x2 plate, and then put it here. And then take this piece, put it here. Then take this piece, which you wanna put it right here. Now take a 1x2 bricks like that, and another 1x2 bricks. Take a 2x3 bricks, and then put plates on top, and put it here, right there, like that. Then we'll make some pieces. So first this piece, take a 2x4 smooth piece. So 1x6 smooth piece, and another 1x6 smooth piece, a 2x2 smooth piece, so which is a 2x12 smooth piece. And then take a 2x2 bricks, a 2x2 plate, two of this 1x2 plate, put it there. Now take a 1x1 bricks and a 1x3 bricks, which is a 1x4 bricks, and then put smooth piece there. Then take a 1x2 bricks and a 1x1 bricks, which is a corner piece brick. Then take a 2x4 bricks. There. Now take this piece, put it here. Like that. So you could slide like this. And that. So now what you want to take is okay, looks like okay, a corner piece like that, and a 1x1 plate. Take a 1x3 plate and a 1x1 plate, and then take a 1x1 smooth piece there, two of this 1x1 plates, and then a 1x1 smooth piece, and take a 1x2 plate, put it there, like that. Then take this 2x3 bricks and two of this 1x3 smooth piece and a 2x2 smooth piece, like that. And take this piece and this piece, take it right here. Now take this piece, put it in here. Just let it in there. Now this piece is, so the first thing is a 1x3 plate and another 1x3 plate, a 1x1 smooth piece, a 1x1 plate, and two of this 1x1 plate, and another 1x1 smooth piece like that. And then you're gonna take a 1x4 smooth piece, a 1x2 plate, put it right there. Take a 1x2 bricks and a 1x3 smooth piece there. Take this piece and this piece, put it right here, and take this piece, put it right here. Yeah. Okay, you wanna take this piece later. So, take a 1x2 bricks and a 1x3 bricks, and then take a 1x2 plate. Now take this piece, put it like that, and then take this piece 1x4 smooth piece, put it here, like that. Now take, this piece, like that, put it under, like that, under here. Like that. Then take a 2x2 bricks and a 1x2 smooth piece, and two of this 1x1 plate, and a 1x2 smooth piece. I'll put it here. Like that. Now take this piece, put it here. Like that. Now take this piece, slide it in here. Kind of hard to slide it in because it is not stable at all. So careful. Okay, like that. So when you're done, you need to look like this. Keep broadening. Oh, come on. You could take this piece off if you want to put it in. Okay, there we go. Now, the last piece is a 1x6 plate, and then a 1x3 smooth piece, and a 1x2 smooth piece, like that. Now, take a 1x3 smooth piece, and a 1x3 plate, and then two of this 1x1 plate, and then a 1x1 smooth piece, and then a 2x2 plate, a 1x2 plate, a 2x2 plate, there, and a 2x2 smooth piece. Now take this piece, put it here, like that. Now you're gonna take this piece, slide it into this hole, like that. Slide all the way in, like that. And then, so take a 6x6 plate and two of this 2x2 plate, put it right here, just like that. And take a 2x8 plate, and then another 2x8 plate, stick it right here. Now take this piece, put it in, take that piece, put it here. So, like that. It will be kind of hard to put it on top, so you need to try and put it on top of it. So like that. There. Now take two of this 2x3 plate and then a 2x4 plate. Put a 2x4 plate right there. Then you want to take this piece off first, okay? Like that. And then now take this piece, put it right there. Now put this piece back in. that. Now the main roof. So this piece. So just check a 8x8 plate and then put smooth piece on top of it. I just use this piece to decorate the top, so you don't need that anyway. So yeah. First, take a 2x2 plate, put it there. A 2x4 plate there. Two of this one with one plate like that. I'll put it here and there. Now take a 1x4 plates, two of this 1x2 plate, and put it here, like that, there. So now take a 1x1 plate there, and two of this 1x1 plate, there. Now this piece, so take a 2x2 plate there, a 1x2 plate, and a two of this 1x2 plate, and then put it there. Now take a 1x2 plate and a 1x2 smooth piece like that. Now take this piece, put it here. The final step is to put this piece down like this. So carefully put it down and don't break anything. So like that. And when you're done, you're not get your price, a 1x2 price. It needs to be 1x2 price. And put it here in this hole, right there. And so that is how you make my 11th Lego puzzle box. I hope you guys enjoy, and bye bye.